Hi, this is the WIKO U Pulse and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way we just successfully created a new home screen folder. If you want to rename it, just tap once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps, tap OK and last check. So we could see that we just successfully renamed our folder. To move the folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. If you want to remove the application from the folder, hold it and drag it to the home screen. If you want to stay with this app on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. But don't worry, you'll remove this just this application only from the home screen. You'll stay with the apps in the apps menu. And by the same way, if you want to remove all of the applications in one click with the folder together, just hold it and tap the remove icon. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.